Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix voice chat not working on Mobile Legends. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to play the Mobile Legends game but your microphone doesn't seem to be working, then there are a few things that you can do to fix this issue. First of all, check that the game is updated to the latest version. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then search for Mobile Legends. Once you find the application, if you see an update button, then this means that you will need to update the application. Just tap on this button to install the update, and once it is completed, you can tap on the play button and see if this helps. If your audio still isn't working, then just go ahead and open up the phone settings and tap on apps. Now from the application page, scroll down and look for Mobile Legends. Once you find it, tap on it to open it up, and then tap on permissions. Now if your microphone access is not allowed, then you will see it underneath the not allowed section. So in order to allow it, go ahead and tap on microphone and then select the first option, which tells you to allow access while the application is in use. Once you do this, microphone will be placed underneath allowed section. And now you can use your microphone with the Mobile Legends application. But before going back to the game once again, tap on storage and clear the cache as well as the data first. Once you do this, go ahead and open up your game, and now your voice chat should be working just fine. In case this still doesn't work, then this might indicate that there are some hardware issues with your microphone, which needs repairing. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix voice chat on Mobile Legends. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.